Good morning, students. In class 8, chapter 1, exercise 1.2, in question number 1, identify the perfect cube in the given number. So here you have to find perfect cube. So now let's go to the first question. First question is 125. So to find perfect cube or identify, you have to first find the prime factor of 125. So how to find prime factor? Let's see. 125. The 125 is divided by 5 25 times, and 25 is divided by 5 times, and 5 is divided by 5 in one time. The 125 5 multiply 5 multiply 5. It is a prime factor of 125. So you can see that the number 5 is a pair of 3. It means 125 is a perfect cube. If any number make pair of 3, then number will be perfect cube. So we can write here number 5 made pair of 3, so it is perfect cube. Now question number 2, 800. So first we have to find prime factor. First divide by 2 400 times, then divide by 2 200 times, then divide by 2 100 times, then divide by 2 50 times, then divide by 2 25 times, and now 25 is divided by 5 it 5 times, and 5 is divided by 5 one time. So here prime factor of 800 is 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply how many times? 5 times. 1 2 3 4 5, and last 2 times of 5. So here you can see it is 3 pair, but this number and this number is not pair of 3. So we can say 800 is not a perfect cube. Okay, because here remaining 2 number is not pair in the 3. Okay. Question number 5 is 22,000. Here again first we have to find prime factor. So method is 22,000. First we divide by 2 1100 times, then 2 5s are 10, remaining 1 2 5s are 10, double 0, then divide by 2 2 2s are 4, remaining 1, 15 2 7s are 14, remaining 1, 2 5s are 10, 2 0s are 0, then again divide by 2 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, remaining 15, 2 7s are 14, 2 5s are 10, and now it is divided by 5. 5 2s are 10, remaining 3, 5 7s are 35, remaining 2, 5 5s are 25, then again divide by 5, 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25, and now again 5 divide 5 11 times and 11. So here prime factor of 22,000. 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 5 multiply 5 multiply 5 multiply 11. So here we can see this, these are make pair of 3, 5 is also made pair of 3, but remaining 2 and 11 not in the pair of 3. So 22,000 is not a perfect square. Sorry, not is a perfect cube. In question number 2, find out the smallest number which when multiplied by 256 will make the product a perfect cube. It means इस क्वेश्चन में आपको सबसे स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर फाइंड करना है जिसको 256 में मल्टीप्लाई करने से उसका प्रोडक्ट क्या बन जाए, परफेक्ट क्यूब बन जाए. तो इन सच टाइप क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट वी हैव टू फाइंड द प्राइम फैक्टर ऑफ 256. देन वी विल चेक दोज नंबर who is not met pair of 3. Okay, तो फर्स्ट to find prime factor of 256. तो 256 is divided by 2, 2 1 जा 2, 2 2 जा 4, 2 8 जा. And again is divided by 2, 2 6 जा 12, 2 4 जा 8. And again is divided by 2, 2 3 जा 6, 2 2 जा 4. And again divided by 2 16 times. And again divided by 2 8 times. Again is divided by 2 4 times. And 2 times. And last 2 1 जा 2. तो here prime factor of 256. How many times up to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now made pair of 3, first second. And here we can say if you multiply by 2 then it is made perfect cube, but here remaining multiply 2. So it means smallest number we have to find. So our answer is 2, because if you multiply by 2 then it is made a perfect cube. So here we multiply by 2 in this prime factor, then it will be made perfect cube. So smallest number will be 2.